Hello, hello, welcome back. All right, so as promised, I took everything out of my travel case that I'm going to take with this next week to Arizona, and I unpacked it all, and I'm going to see if I can make something, a art journal page in my journal here, my sketchbook, with just these basic tools. See if something comes up. So here's the package. I'm going to set it out of the way. I've got my baby wipes. I've got some towels. I've got a paper towel. I got water. Obviously, this wasn't in my kit. I've got these acrylic markers. I've got a Presto white correction pen, some charcoal, sharpener, pencil sharpener, glue stick. I got some water brushes. I don't really think I need all of these, so I might leave a couple of these out. I've got a gold marker, Stabilo pencil, black marker, some charcoal pencils here, and some watercolors, watercolor brush, pencil, and I've got some black permanent markers. So let's just, I'm going to just turn on some music, and I'm going to open my sketchbook here, and no intention really. I do have an idea of what a Arizona landscape looks like. I haven't been there before. I was at a Creativation one year, but we were in the convention hall the whole time, so I didn't really get to see much. So I just went on my phone and I Googled Arizona landscape. Here's what came up. So I have that over to the side, and the things that I'm noticing here is the colors. We've got the purple and the green and the brown and the yellow and the orange, and just a beautiful, beautiful sky. I love the cactus in there. So I'm not going to go and copy this picture, but I'm just going to use the colors and things as inspiration to see if we can just get a spark or something started. And as I stated in my last video, when I showed you what I put in my kit, I said that I gessoed a few pages. So right now I'm looking in my sketchbook for those gessoed pages. Here's one. I can feel one here. So I'm going to turn on some music, and I'm just going to go with it, and hopefully something will come about, but I'm not going to be too, worried about it, because we're just going to see if we can create a spark, okay? So I will talk to you in a bit. Okay, I just wanted to check in real quick. I wanted to tell you how I was feeling. Okay, here's my inspiration picture. Let me show you. Let's see. Can you see that? So I got the purple mountain there. I've got the foreground. I've got some sky going on. I'm going to do a cactus about here, I think, but I've got some oranges and yellows. I'm waiting for my sky to dry here 100% so I don't have mud, right? Okay, so I'm going to set that aside. I did pull out a vintage dictionary page out of my stash. Obviously, I wouldn't have had that on our trip, so I just stuck a couple pages back here because I thought that seemed like I wanted to do that. That seemed fun. This is not fun for me. This is a big old mess, so I need to clean that up to go forward. So that's why I just stopped the video here. I just wanted to tell you how I was feeling. I feel like this is real fun. Yeah, definitely. But I wasn't using the tape. I'm not using this paper towel. I'm going to just clean up my area here because when it's messy like this, it gives me the heebie-jeebies. So I'm going to clean up, tidy up, and then I'm going to keep going. But I'm going to turn the music back on, okay? Hope you're enjoying it. Wanted to pop back on. Okay, just by tidying up my desk here, did you see what happened? I moved my watercolors thinking that I was going to move them out of the way to put them away and not use them. But when I had my tray with everything swatched out, this color right here, it's called tree bark, is the perfect color that I really need for my base down here. So just by moving things around, tidying up my area of sorts, I created a spark there. So very important. And I'm going to also grab a little makeup sponge because it takes up no room at all, and I would be able to use that nicely for the ground here. So I'm going to add that to my kit. All right, let's keep going. Okay, I zoomed in a little bit, and everything's pretty dry here. One thing, when I did the cactus, I probably wouldn't have used my charcoal first, my piece of charcoal, when I drew that in there, because I smudged it all over now. But it doesn't matter. So for next time, I won't do that, right? I'll use my pencil. So I drew out the charcoal cactus, and then I wanted to put this correction pen on it. And the reason I wanted to do that is because I wanted to block out the color that was behind there, the purple and the blue, because then this green watercolor will really show up on here. It acted like a primer, okay? So I zoomed in a little bit here. I went back to my green, and I have two of them mixed up, so if I want to interchange and mix them together, I certainly can. The reason I did this video was just, well, for a video for you and I to be together and create, but also to see if I had what it takes in my little kit that I'm going to take with, right? Hopefully I'll get to do some creating, but you know, maybe I will have such a great trip that I won't have any time to create. The weather will be absolutely gorgeous, and so on and so forth. But I believe that I have the things in the kit that I have enough. I put that collage paper in there. I put those little sponges in there. I may put a big mop brush in there, maybe an old one, or maybe an old makeup brush, because if it gets crushed, then I won't be so sad about it, because this one I really love, so I probably won't put that one in there. I'm letting this dry. I'm showing you the inspiration there, so I'm just going to work. My mountain is way big. Who cares? This is mine. This is my version of it, right? It's not going to be exactly like how they have it, because you don't want to be copying, right? You want just for a little spark of creativity and inspiration. Who knows what's going to come out of it, you know? It's just to get you going, get you doing, get you having fun. And right now, I'm having a hard time stopping, but I don't want this video to go on and on and on for us. So I would say, with the materials that we have here, I'm going to put some kind of piece of plastic. And I remember that I had this plastic for mixing colors from my acrylic markers. I can smush them on here and mix them up. And I could use a sponge to work on the background and stuff with. I thought that would be a good idea. So the answer to the video is yes, I have enough stuff. I added in some collage papers, and I am going to be good to go. So I'm going to pack this baby back up. I'm going to put it in my suitcase, and I'm hoping that something really wonderful will come out of it. You know, the inspiration is everywhere, and especially on vacation, right? See, I can't even leave this alone. I just want to keep working on it. So I am going to keep working on it, and stay tuned to the end, and I will have some more finished pictures. But of course, who knows when it's finished, right? It's a sketchbook. It'll be finished when I'm sick of working on it, probably. All right, so have a great day. I'm hoping I will have a video for you when I'm gone, but if not, we'll get it when I get back, right? You have a great day. Bye.